Hello children, let us start some revision questions from the chapter Real Numbers. The first question. In Trination Cricket Series, 45, 75 and 135 members including players, team officials and politicians from Britain, Australia and India reach a 5-star hotel in Sydney. The number of rooms required to house them, if in each room has the same number of participants from same country, are to be housed are, so here three numbers are given, 45, 75 and 135. And here the condition is given, the number of rooms required to house them, if in each room the same number of participants from same country are to be housed. So here from these, what we want to find, that we want to discuss. Three numbers are there, that is 45, 75 and 135. So we want to factorize these three numbers. 45 as 3 square into 5, 75 can be written as 3 into 5 square and 135 as 3 cube into 5. That means we want to find HCF of these three. That is HCF of 45, 75 and 135 is 3 into 5, 50. How we get? So after factorizing, we will get 1 3 from these three and 1 5 from these three. So 3 into 5, 50. Then the players from Britain, Australia and India. So we want to find the number of rooms allotted for Britain and players from Australia and players from India. Since each room containing 15 players. So total 45 players from Britain, 75 players from Australia and 135 players from India. So here we want to find 45 by 15, that means number of rooms, that is we want to find number of rooms allotted for these players from Britain. So 45 by 15 is 3, then 75 by 15 is 5 and 135 by 15 is 9. So here we got 3 plus 5 plus 9, that is total rooms allotted, that is 3 plus 5 plus 9. So 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17. So the answer is option A, 17. The second question, the least number that is divisible by all the numbers 1 to 5. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 5. So here we want to find least number. So we want to find LCM of the numbers from 1 to 5. 1 can be written as 1, 2 is 2 itself, 2 into 1, 3 also 3 into 1. But 4 can be written as 2 square and 5 can be written as 5 into 1. So here we want to find LCM of the numbers from 1 to 5 as 1 into 2 square into 3 into 5. That means 2 square we can take, since 1 2 is here. So 1 into 3 into 2 square into 5. So 1 into 4, 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So the LCM of the numbers from 1 to 5, that is the number dividing all the numbers is 60. Then next one, LCM of a number x and y where y is a multiple of x is given by LCM of number x and y where y is a multiple of x. For example, we can do, after that we will explain the answer. Let's consider the numbers 3, 6, 4, 12, 5, 20 like that. Since 12 is a multiple of 4, 6 is a multiple of 3, 20 is a multiple of 5. Here LCM of this set is 12, LCM of 3 and 6 is 6, LCM of 5 and 20 is 20. That means if x and y are the numbers and y is multiple of x, then LCM of x, y is y itself. From this example, it is very clear that if a number is multiple of other, LCM should be that multiple. The next one, there is a circular path around a sports field. Priya takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. Harish takes 12 minutes. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet? That means two persons are there. Priya take 18 minutes to drive one round and Harish takes 12 minutes. But they start at the same time and at the same point when they will meet again. That is the question how we can find. That means 18 and 12, two numbers are there, either HCF or LCM. That is our doubt. So let us look into the solution. And 12, that is LCM of 18 and 12. For that we want to factorize 18 as 2 into 3 square and 12 as 2 square into 3. So from this we can take 2 and 3, and we want to find, if we want to find HCF, it is 2 into 3. Since we want to find LCM, it is take the highest power of each factors. So 2 square into 3 square. So HCF is 2 into 3, 6. But LCM is 4 into 9, that is 36. That means after 36 minutes, they will meet again. Here the next one. The decimal expansion of the rational number 343 by 2 square into 5 into 7 will terminate after. So here we want to check whether the numerator and denominator are in the least form. Here we can say that 343 can be divisible by 7. So here 7 will be cancelled by, that means here 49 and here 1. So what is the denominator? Only 2 and 5. That means here 2 raised to 2 into 5. Then what is the highest power? So that we want to check what is the highest power. Is it 1 or 2? The highest power of 2 and 5. That means highest power is 2. So the decimal expansion will terminate after 2. Next one. The total number of factors of a prime number. We know that for a prime number, it contains only 2 factors, 1 and that number itself. Therefore, total number of factors of a prime number is 2 itself. Then, the HCF and the LCM of numbers 12, 21 and 15. So, let us check 12, 21, 15. These 3 numbers are divisible by 3. So, which will be the HCF? That is 3 is the HCF. Then, what will be the LCM? That we want to know. That means we want to factorize 12. 12 can be written as 3 into 2 square. 21 can be written as 3 into 7. And 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So what will be the LCM? We want to take highest power of each factors. So 3 into highest power of 5 is 5. And highest power of 2 is 2 square into 7. So the product of 3 into 5 into 2 square into 7. So 2 square into 5, 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 3, 60, 60 into 7, that is 420. So the answer is 3, 420. Next one. If HCF of AB equal to 12, A into B is 1500, then what is LCM of AB? So we know the relation between HCF and LCM of 2 numbers. That is, product of HCF into LCM is product of the numbers. So product of the numbers is given as 1500. So we can divide 1500 by 12. So what will be the answer? So the answer is 125. That is, product of numbers is equal to product of LCM and HCF. Here product of numbers is given as 1500 and HCF also given as 12. So divide 1500 by 12, you will get 125. So only 8 questions we discussed. So next day also we will discuss some other questions from the chapter real numbers. So children, please go through all these questions thoroughly.